Well, hello everybody. Today I'm going to unbox some brand new Box Realistic Nova 15 speakers. Right off the bat, I'm not going to demonstrate these in this video, so if you're looking for a demonstration of these, this is not the video you want to look for. But I bought these on eBay Kleinanzeigen for a little bit too much, but they are brand new in the box and were not really sold in Germany that much. Now you can see some holes here. There's the other one, there. It was a little bit concerning, but let's hope that's alright. I'm going to try to do this video the best I can. So let's actually have a look at this one, because this package is a little bit beat up. So let's actually get the camera off of the tripod here. Here's the package, Nova 15. Realistic, there's the catalog number, two-way speaker system, Xenon walnut veneer, 8-inch long subwoofer, and a white dispersant reader. These were originally sent to Radio Shack in the Town Center in Sunnyvale, California in 1984. Here's the other side. It's basically the same. There's some more information on these. And yes, these are from 1984. I believe these speakers came out in the 1970s. So let's put this back in. I'll get my skizzer here. And let's make sure I'm in the view. I am. Let's try and get this open. I really hope that those holes on the front aren't the sign of bad things. Now these speakers then we tend to get bad foam surrounds on the woofer. So I hope that's fine. I asked the seller and he did say that they're fine. These have been taken out, I believe, once or twice by persons that tried to sell these. So there you go. I'll put this up here and see what's inside. Get some foam pads here. There's another one. And here's the speaker itself. It does look like the speaker itself is fine. Let's put that to the side. That is quite heavy. The box smells like cardboard. Nothing special there. And there will be the speaker itself. Now you can see there's somewhat old tape on here. And some newer tape. And some wood grain, which you probably cannot see. I'll have to just tear that up. So these ones, so you can see packages or products back in the day, were often packaged in sort of coated paper instead of plastic foil. I'm just going to rip this. I'm going to keep the package, but don't really have any interest in the packing material. And here it is. And before we look at the speaker, there's some sticker in here. And it says old walnut veneer. So here's the speaker itself. It looks very nice. Yeah, might need a little bit of wipe. It's not perfect. It looks pretty good. Here's the back. Date code of 84. Realistic Nova 15. Input 8 ohms, 60 watts. Tandy Corporation. And here's the front. That is a very attractive looking speaker. Now let's see if I can get the grill to come off here. I don't think I can. At least not without breaking it. Yeah, this is very amateur. I'll have to try and see how to get that off. Let's see. I don't have any editing programs or anything I can use, so you just gotta sit there waiting. I'm kind of wondered, because I thought that this would come with the instruction book, because these did come with a low instruction book. Isn't there on this one? I'm gonna put that off later, because I don't want to make the video take forever. But there's the speaker. Unbox the other one, and then hopefully there'll be an upgrade for my Minimus 7. Alright, hope this video was enjoyable, even though it was somewhat crappy. But there you go, brand new in the box, 1984, realistic Nova 15s. Alright.